Here I've got ARCHOS Oxygen 57 and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you will notice network and internet, so simply click on it and then go to advanced. And here you'll notice airplane mode, simply click on the switcher to activate it, and as you can see now, here we've got the sign, we are in flight mode and all the networks are deactivated. Then if you'd like to go back to the normal mode, if you'd like to make calls or send message, then tap on the same switcher one more time, and as you can see, it has been already deactivated. You can also have a quick access to airplane mode through the upper bar, simply slide it down, and then locate airplane mode icon, here it is, just click on it, and that's it. You've just activated it, and now if you would like to switch it off, click on the same icon one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate flight mode in your device in your ARCHOS. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.